Yo YouTube, what's going on? Today we're talking about how to get unveiled diamonds in Covet Fashion. As you can see, I've already installed for my device Covet Fashion Plus and its modded version who allowed you to get unveiled diamonds in Covet Fashion absolutely for free. And this video tutorial I want to share with you how it works and how to get this application for Android or iOS device in 2023. Okay, how it works is very easy. Enter amount of diamonds as you want, so I enter this number because why not? And the next step is press button generate. And now as you can see, everything is generated. Wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, our account will be open and every diamonds will be added. And now as you can see, I've already get unlimited diamonds and cash in Covet Fashion. This application is really work in 2023, but how to get Covet Fashion Plus for Android or iOS device in 2023? This step is very easy. I found from this website. So open browser, go to this website, Zeno app as you can see, scroll down or type this the Covet Fashion, and this is this application. All you need to do to get this application, we must press install now. As you can see, everything is installed. Wait to finish this process because the last step is very important and required. It's human verification. Follow all instruction. After complete every step from this verification, for your Android or iOS device will be download and install Covet Fashion Plus, and this method is updated in 2023. So enjoy and thank you for watching.